ants start with an A sound, and so does apple. Now, I want you to do this. Use your finger and write the letter in the air. A, ants. A, apple. Good. Now, do it on your own. A, ants. A, apple. Good. You have just written a letter in the air. Do you know what that letter is? That letter is A. Now, say together with me. A. What is the sound of A? A is the sound of A. Some words have A in the middle, rather than at the start. Can you hear the A sound in these words? Sat, pat, tap, sap. That's great! Let's learn another sound. The sound we will learn is T. Say together with me.